Good morning, all of you. In the last lecture, we have studied characteristics of basic management as well as we learn functions of management under which we have studied. First point was planning. Planning is nothing but on paper we are doing plans of all activities. For example, while building a house, we are going to an architect. Architect draws a plan on paper and he will tell what activities should be done at what time. That is nothing but a planning. Next step of planning is organizing. Next step of basic functional management functions of management is organizing. Next step to organize man, machine and money. So organizing involves identification of activities required for achievement of organizational objectives and implementation of plans. Grouping of activities, assignment of these activities to department and individual. Delegation of responsibility and authority for performance and provision for vertical and horizontal coordination of activities. Organization process involves a activity that are undertaken to achieve a common goal. Every manager has to decide what activities have to be undertaken in his department for the achievement of goals entrusted to him. After identification of activities, he has to group similar activities, assign this group of activities to his subordinates, delegate authority to them so as to enable them to make decisions and initiate actions for undertaking these activities, and provide coordination between himself and his subordinates and among his subordinates. It is to the subordinates and among the subordinates. Actually, organizing process consists of 4 points. The first one is review plans and objective. Manager must examine plan initially and continue to do so as plans may change and new goals may develop. Second process consists of analyze the work activities. The third process consists of classify and group the necessary work activities into manageable units. Fourth organizing process consists of assign activities and delegate authorities. And fifth one is design a hierarchy of relationship. Let us see one by one. The first one is review plan and objectives. Manager examines plan initially, and if there is any change, he reviews again, and that change is considered and that change is executed. Change is organized properly to achieve a common goal. Second organizing process consists of analyzing the work activities. If there are common goals while doing a work, then that group should be analyzed first and then it is grouped separately. That is a third organizing process. Third organizing process is nothing but a grouping of all activities, grouping of similar activities. While building a house, you have to group simultaneously activity like plumbing, activity like flooring, activity like plastering, activity like purchase and activity like coloring can be grouped separately. That means two activities, plastering as well as simultaneously constructing a other brickwork can be done. So parallelly we are making construction at another side and we are doing plastering on another side. So that is what a grouping is. A similar activities such as brickwork purchase and brickwork construction